See the question number 58. A vessel is filled with an ideal gas of pressure. The ideal gas of pressure, the P1 is given by the 20 atm atmospheric temperature. The temperature is given, the T1 is given 27 degrees. The convert into the Kelvin, 27 plus 273 is equal to 300 Kelvin. And the 1/2 of the mass of the gas is removed. The mass is removed. The how much is given? Half of the mass is given. Initially mass M1 is equal to M. Then M2 is equal to how much of the removed? M by 2 is removed. Okay. The removed of the mass. Okay. Now we can write here the and if the temperature is increasing by the T2 is equal to 87 degrees centigrade. That is equal to 27 plus 80. 273 plus 87, that is equal to, now can adding this is the 360 Kelvin. How much is the 360 Kelvin? See what is the pressure of when it's increasing of temperature. According to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. But N is equal to molar by molar weight. We can write the PV is equal to small m into capital M into RT. See that is that the P is directly proportional to M and temperature. Taking the ratio P1 by P2 is equal to M1 by M2 into T1 by T2. See right here the values are there. Substitute P1 is equal to how much is that 20 by P2. Is equal to M1 is equal to M by 2 into temperature. The T1 is equal to there the 300 and T2 is equal to the 360. And we get the cancel. The final we get the P2 is equal to 12 atm. How much is there? 12 atm. So next question number 64. Question number 64. Two densities of the two substances are in the ratio densities rho1 by rho2 is equal is given by the 5 by 6, and the specific heat in the ratios, specific heat S1 by S2 is equal is given by the 3 by 5. The ratio of thermal capacities for unit value. The thermal capacity is nothing but H1 by H2 is equal to how much? Now we know the thermal capacity is equal to H is equal to M into S. M is equal to mass. The mass is equal to what is the formula? Is density by volume. So density is equal to mass by volume. The mass is equal to density into volume. We can write here the H is equal to density into volume into specific heat. But we can find the thermal capacity for unit value. Thermal capacity for unit value. That is equal to H by V of ratio 1 is equal to rho 1 and S1 divided by H by V into 2 is equal to rho 2 into S2. Then right here the values of rho 1 by rho 2 is equal to 5 by 6 and S1 by S2 is equal to 3 by 5. 5 by gets cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 2. What is the ratio is there here? The 1 by 2 is the ratio. Next is the 74. The 5 grams of the steam at 100 degrees centigrade. See the steam at 100 degrees centigrade. The how much of the mass is there? The mass having the 5 grams. And into the calorimetry, the container of liquid, the temperature is rise 32 to 40 degrees. The initial temperature, the T1 is equal to 32 degrees centigrade and T2 is equal to 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, then water, the equivalent of the calorimeter and container. See the water, that's the mass of the water, how much? See, we know the principle of here the calorimetry. The mass of the steam into latent heat plus mass of the steam into specific heat into the temperature at 100 degrees centigrade, the minus of T2. That is the T3 minus T2. This is called as the T3. T3 minus T2 is equal to the mass of the water, the specific heat into T1, T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. See, then we can find here the value. Right here the mass of the specific heat is given by the, how much is there? 5 steam. And latent heat. See, this latent heat of the constant value is there 540. Get a latent heat is equal to 540 calorie per gram. Now plus mass 5, the specific heat is 100 minus T2. T2 is equal to how much is there here? The 40 is equal to mass of the water, the specific heat is 1, and T2 is equal to 40 minus 32. 40 minus 32. Now the total we have the calculation and get the mass of the water is there 375 gram. 375 gram. Next see the 74. See, this is the 69. And next is the 74. Two liquid of masses M1 and M2. Two liquid of the masses the M1 and M2. And specific heats S1 and S2 respectively are mixed. Then the specific heat of the mixture. We know the formula. Therefore, specific heat of the mixture, specific heat of the mixture is equal. See, we know the formula for the mass of. See, this is the M1 theta plus M2 theta. M1 theta plus M2 theta is equal to M1 S1 theta plus M2 S2 theta. See, before and after. And see here the theta will take a common. M1 plus M2 will take a common into theta is equal to, and here also theta will take a M1 S1 plus M2 S2. See the theta is just cancelled. Okay. Then we can write here the formula is then that is equal to M1 S1 plus M2 S2 by M1 plus M2. See, this is the mixture. Next question number 18. Two rods of same length having the conductivity. See, this is the junctions. Now we have the two rods, one over the another one. Their conductivity is given the first rod of the conductivity is given by the 60 watt meter inverse Kelvin inverse, and second rod of the conductivity K2 is equal is given by the 40 watt meter inverse Kelvin inverse, and areas. And the first rod of area is given A1 is equal to 0.2 meter square, and second rod of the area is given by the A2 is equal to 0.3 meter square, are connected to the parallel to each other. The effective conductivity of the combination, effective conductivity of combination. See, when the two rods are connected in a parallel, the conductivity combination, effective combination, the Kp is equal to K1A1 plus K2A2 by A1 plus A2. Now I can write here the values are given. K1 is equal to 60 and A1 is equal to 0.2 plus K2 is equal to 40 and A2 is equal to 0.3 divided by 0.2 plus 0.3. Then the calculation we are getting 48 watt meter inverse and Kelvin inverse. This is the conductivities are connected by any parallel. So next question number 86. Two rods A and B of same length and radius are joined together. See, this is the first one and this is the second one, and join them together, and their thermal conductivity is given by the 2K and K. Under the study of condition, if the temperature difference between the open end A and B is given by the 36, temperature difference is given by the 36 degrees centigrade. The temperature difference of A is, see the temperature difference of A will be, we can find it. We know the formula for the thermal conductivity. The rate of flow of heat, that is a Q by T, is equal to K into A into theta 2 minus theta 1 by its length L. See, the rate of flow is directly proportional to this thermal conductivity and temperature of differences theta 2 minus theta 1, or we can add the theta 1 minus also theta 2. See, right here the K1 A1 theta 1 minus theta 2 by length L is equal to K2 A2 into theta 1 minus theta 2 by length of L. See, this is the condition, the temperature is T1, here the temperature is T2, and this is the T1, this temperature is the T2, and area of cross section will be same. A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A, because of it's connected by a 1 together, and also is called this as series combination. In series combination, area of cross section will be same, and this area of cross section will be same. The K1 is equal to given by the 2K into A. Theta 1 minus theta 2. The theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to given. Here the theta 1 is given 36 minus theta is equal to K into A. Now we can write the theta 1. Here the theta 1 we consider the theta minus is 0 divided by the length of L, and LL gets cancelled, and A is also gets cancelled, and KK gets cancelled, and 72 minus theta is equal to theta, that is equal to 72 is equal to 2 theta, and theta is equal to 72 by 2, that is equal to 36 degree of centigrade. That is the temperature of it. But here is given by what is the difference is given 36. Now we can find here the total temperature. The total temperature, the example of this one, that is equal to 36. Okay. The next, see the question number 91. An incident light, the bulb has a tungsten filament that is heated. The temperature is given by the 3 into 10 power of 3 Kelvin. When electric current passing through it, the surface area of the filament is approximately, that area is approximately is given by the 10 power of minus 4 meter square, and as emissive power E is equal to is given 0.32 the power of radiant bulb. The power of radiant, the power is equal to, what is the formula? Sigma into E into A into T to the power of 4. Sigma is called as the Stephen constant. The Stephen constant of the value 5.67 into 10 to the power of minus A into E is the emissive power is given by the 0.32, and area is given the 10 power of minus 4, and the temperature is given by the 3 into 10 power of 3 over to the power of 4, and the VR calculation we get the 150 watt. This is the power of radiant of a bulb. Next you see the 99. The maximum intensity of radiation for a black body is founded. The black body of the radiation is founded, that is a wavelength is given by the 2.65 micrometer, that is equal to 2.65 into 10 power of minus 6 meter. This is the wavelength. The temperature of the radiant body, temperature is under T is equal to how much? And here the Wien's constant, the B is equal to is given by the 2.9 into 10 power of minus 3, okay, meter Kelvin. See, according to the Wien's displacement, say lambda is inversely proportional to the temperature. into lambda into temperature is equal to constant. The constant is denoted by in a B. See, we can find the T is equal to B by lambda. Now the B value is there, 2.9 into 10 power of minus 3 divided by lambda is equal is given by the 2.65 into 10 power of minus 6. That is equal to 1094 Kelvin. See the 101. A hot body is placed in a cooler surroundings. When a body temperature is 75 degrees, then the rate of cooling 4 degrees centigrade per minute. The water is 55 degrees, the rate of cooling is 2 degrees centigrade per minute. The temperature of the surrounding is nothing but to theta naught is equal to surrounding temperature. See, according to Newton's cooling law, the rate of loss of heat is directly proportional to the temperature of differences. That is the body temperature and surrounding of temperature. See, here is given the rate of cooling per minute. How much is given by here? The first one is given by the 4 degree. Now the 4 is directly proportional to temperature of differences, theta minus theta naught. And the second one is given by the 2 degrees for the cooling, is also directly proportional to the temperature of differences. Then we can find out the surrounding of temperature, that is a theta naught. Then equation 1 divided by equation 2, that is a 4 divided by 2, that is equal to the temperature theta is given by the 75 degrees centigrade. And another one is given by the here, this is considered theta 1, here considered theta 2. Now this is a theta 2 is equal to is given 55 degree centigrade. Now can substitute here, then we are getting the surrounding of temperature is the 35 degree centigrade. Let's see the last question, that is a 104. A body at 50 degree centigrade, the theta 1 is equal to is given 50 degree centigrade. The cools in surrounding, the maintain is the 30 degree centigrade. The cools in the surrounding, that is a theta naught is equal to surrounding of temperature is given by the 30 degree centigrade. The temperature at which the rate of cooling is half of the being is. The where the temperature is the half of. See again, according to Newton's law of cooling. The rate of loss of heat is directly proportional to the temperature of differences. That is the body temperature and surrounding of temperature. This is considered theta 1 minus theta naught. And the second one is the half of is first one. This is 1 by 2 into theta 2 minus theta naught. Now this is considered the equation 1. It is considered the equation number 2. Again equation 1 divided by equation 2. See the dq by dt into 1, the rate of loss of heat by the rate of loss of heat is, that is equal to theta 1 minus theta naught by theta 2 minus theta naught. Here is given by the, which is equal to 1 by 2. The time, the theta 1 is there the 50 degrees and theta naught is equal to 30 degrees. Then find out the theta 2 is equal. Then the cross multiplication, we are getting this is gets cancelled. Okay, 1 by 2 is equal to 50 minus 30 by theta 2 minus 30 degrees. That theta 2 is equal to 40 degree centigrade.